नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today practical session of case taking. Today we will discuss aphorism 88. If in these voluntary details nothing has been mentioned respecting several parts or functions of the body or his mental state. If in these voluntary details, the voluntary details are those that are narrated by patient without any suggestion or without any leading questions, that is the spontaneous information, spontaneous narration of the patient in his own words. This is the voluntary details, and this information, these voluntary details are very precise for a homeopathic prescription. So mentioned respecting several parts or function of the body. Basically, these voluntary information patient narrated by related to his complaints, related to many parts of the body. The physician asks what more can be told in regard to these parts. Then physician asks the patient, if you want to more something to say or want to add something more in your complaints, कि आप और क्या बताना चाहते हैं, और क्या आपको दिक्कत है, और क्या कहना चाहते हैं, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. Or the state of his disposition or mind. That is very important. Physician should consider the state of the mind, mental state of the patient while taking the case. That is very important. But in doing this, he only makes use of general expressions in order that his informants may be obliged to enter into special details concerning them. So what in these lines? But in doing this, he only makes use of general expressions in order that his informants may be obliged to enter into so special details concerning them. So it is very necessary for the physician that physician should be observe every minute detail of the patient in unprejudiced way, without biased. He should observe every expression of the patient and write down in the same words, same expression of the patient, so that physician get the true picture of the disease, true symptom of the patient. Now the footnote of this aphorism, in which there is an example. For example, what was the character of his stool? How does he pass his water? How is it with his day and night sleep? What is the state of his disposition, his humor, his memory? How about the thirst? What sort of taste has he in his mouth? What kinds of food and drink are most relished? What are the most repugnant to him? Has each its full natural taste or some other unusual taste? How does he feel after eating or drinking? Has he anything to tell about the head, the limbs, or the abdomen? So physician can get the complete picture of the symptoms of the disease. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.